32 here, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I posted any videos. I know. Shame on me. But I had to come back today to show you guys what I have. Let me pull you in some, just a tad. I ended up purchasing a wig, and I've been looking for something like this. And I know I looked at her site plenty of times before, so I never thought to actually get it. But I bought this is the box that it came in, the Toni Daley Big Chop wig. I think it was like $49, but then I had a there was a discount code that she was giving for like the end of the summer, so I think I ended up paying, like, with shipping, maybe $43 or something like that. So if anybody knows that anytime that you order anything from her website, she gives you free gifts. So of course it's the wig. I haven't opened this yet. I did open the box, but I haven't actually opened and went through the wig yet. It comes with a wig cap. I have a pair of earrings here, and this is a map, I think. Yeah. It's in the shape of map. And then I have, she sent this is a seamless wear, like a cap, well, not a cap, but you know, these sleeves that you put on your head. I've already bought this, so that's why it's out of the pack. So now let's get to the main attraction here. This wig, it comes in this plastic bag right here, and inside it has a Toni Daley. It has a caring kit. It has how to store it, how to clean it, and there's just some tips that it comes with inside of the bag. I ordered this in a 1B, and it has of course, you know, a little net over it. So, and then it has the tag right here, Big Chop. Right here, Big Chop 1B. I don't know if you guys can actually see it because there's a glare. Big Chop 1B. And then it has a website, www.tonidaley.com. Okay. First, let me show you the construction of the wig. It has, let's see, a comb in the back. It has the drawstring here to tighten it up. And then it has a comb in the front right here. Of course, I found my scissors. So I'm going to cut this tag off. Okay. And again, this is what the wig looks like. And this is the top part. It's like a tapered on the top. And then not on the top. It's a tapered around the sides. And then it's longer on the top right here. So I'm going to just shake it out a little bit. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it out. There's no smell to it. Okay, let me get my stuff together. Let me take this off. I just twisted my hair, you guys, and then I pinned these down and I left two out right here in the front. So I know I look kind of crazy, but that's okay. I'm going to try this wig on as is first. So let's put this wig cap on. I'm going to see how I can utilize the wig. Pull this down in the back. Sorry, I'm looking in the mirror up here. But this is what it's looking like as is, you guys. Can y'all see this? Do you see anything? I mean, I would have to manipulate this if I wear it like this, but of course you know that I'm not. This, you know, I'm gonna cut it and just use the top part for my hair, but I'm trying to figure out how much. Let me cut the combs out. I'm gonna cut the combs out, and then I'm gonna come back and we can get started with cutting this wig up. All right, you guys, I'm gonna stop procrastinating. This is how I cut it. Now there's a lot of hair, and I'm gonna have to cut some of this hair out. So, but I don't think I can cut it out until I actually put it on my head. Now this is the front right here. So look how much hair that is. A lot. That's a lot on my head. A lot. Look like a mop. So if I turn it to the back right here, is okay, but I don't like these little pieces right down the bottom. But if I fold that, or if I cut it, let me show you what it looks like. If I cut it, then it'll look more uniform right here. I don't know, but then there won't be enough to pull to the back to cover the back of my hair. I'm gonna just stop pressing it. I'm gonna just start pinning, you know. That's the good thing about pinning it. Then you won't, if you mess up, you can take it out. So, my little technique here. Just get this hair on this head. So, start with this one. I'm gonna start pinning. Alright, guys, let me show you what I'm doing, because a lot of people always ask what I do. So I just cut. You see how this side is extra full? So I just cut part of this side off. That's this right here. And I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna pull it. I'm gonna cut this little piece right there off, and pull it so I can pin it. See, that looks a whole lot less dense as of right now. So pull it. And I always tend to try to tuck, like where I cut it, tuck it inside before I pin it. Either way, I'm gonna go around the sides anyway, like I always do, and crochet some hair in, so it'll be more natural. All right, so I'm gonna work on this side now. All right, you guys, so I cut again this side. I cut not a chunk, but this right here out of the front. Now I'm gonna work on this back piece, and then I'm gonna come back and start working it on the front to get it together. Probably cut this piece off too. Don't know yet, so spread it a little bit. Just give it some life. But I'm gonna cut this back piece off because I don't like it, because it's like smallest curls, wrinkles, whatever you want to call it, in the back. And of course, you know, I'm still gonna crochet around the sides just so I can lift it up, you know, and you can't see my bobby pins, or you can't see the wefts. All right, you guys, let me show you what I'm doing so far. I've done the back, but I haven't, you know, clipped everything. I've just done where I crocheted. If I can show you, let me turn around, and I hope you guys can see this, where I crocheted around here just so it can look more natural. So now I'm gonna work on the sides. I still have to clip this down some because this is a lot of hair. I went in and clipped a couple pieces out the middle. At the top. So it won't be so dense. And again, like I said, I go in, crochet, and I only pull 1/3. I pull it through and I let it go up, because I want it to eventually stand up. Okay. So again, this is another piece. This is a big piece, so I'm gonna cut this in half. But I leave them kind of thick, so I won't have to do so many. With this kinky hair, you can do that. And then I put a little bit of my, what is this? Smooth and Shine Coil Hydrating Butter on the piece so it won't be so frizzy. And then I'm gonna go show you one more time on this side. Go in, pull it through, and only pull 1. And go straight up with it. There it is. Okay, I'm gonna finish this again, and I'm gonna really have to cut some of this. All right, you guys, I'm still working on this. I cut the whole front row out because it was hanging, like really hanging. But I like how these coils are. I'm not sure if I'm gonna cut anymore. I don't know, but maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't know. But this is what I come up with thus far. I'm trying to decide if I should cut my hair or I should just trim it up and get some let me try to part. Maybe try to do a part of my hair. I don't know. This stuff is good. Let's give this some kind of shine on it. I don't know. Maybe, I think it may be still too much hair. I don't know yet. Again, like I said throughout the night, I probably cut it down some. I don't know. But I like the fullness of this. This is like how I potentially want my hair to be. Like I can just, this is how I really want it. Like some of these, like this right here. This needs a little shine. Some shine to it. So I put some shine to it and put it back in there. And that'll go away with those white stuff. I don't know, you guys, so I guess let me know what you think. I know you like, Hope, why did you cut a $50 wig? Because I'm still in Arizona and it's too hot to wear wigs, and I love my shaved sides, so that's my answer. So I really don't have to explain anything to you. It's my money, so this wasn't sponsored in any kind of way. Again, this is the Toni Daley Big Chop wig. You know, that wig is like tapered, and then it has like the longer sides at the top. But this is what it's looking like thus far. I don't pay no mind to my cream right here. It will go away. So let me turn around and let you look at the back. Let me get my mirror this time to make sure. And I'm gonna go in a little bit so you can see exactly. So this is the back side of it. Again, I don't know exactly how I'm gonna wear it or if I'm going to cut it a little bit more. But as of now, I'm liking this wild style right here. And how you can see my little part right there. So I'm thinking I might just leave this kind of, my hair kind of this length. And maybe try to part it. I've never parted, try to put a part in my hair ever. Ever. It is 1:44. I'm just looking at the time because I have to go. Alright, you guys, so I changed my mind on the, not really changed my mind because I have to get another piece to my clippers. And to put in the part in right now, maybe I will do it, I don't know, maybe the later part of this week. I'm not sure. I just have to get the right things for it before I actually attempt to do it. But this is the finished result. So you let me know what you think. Look at that. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Definitely hit that notification button so you can see more of my videos. I promise I'm going to start back up. I have some more that I have in my Rolodex that I need to edit and post to you guys. Stay blessed. Now.